Hey there tech enthusiasts, get ready for an exciting announcement from Realme. The highly anticipated Realme C53 is all set to make its debut in India on July 19th. In a recent press statement, Realme officially revealed that the launch event will kick off at 12 noon, promising an unforgettable experience for smartphone enthusiasts. Although the Realme C53 made an appearance on the company's Malaysia website, it seems that the Indian variant will have some unique features. In Malaysia, the Realme C53 sports an impressive dual rear camera setup along with an unspecified octa-core processor clocked at 1.82 GHz. Plus, it packs a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt wired SuperBook fast charging support. And let's not forget the stylish design and two captivating color options. Now let's shift our focus to the Indian variant. According to an official invite, the Realme C53 in India will flaunt a sleek dual rear camera setup featuring a whopping 108 megapixel primary sensor. There is going to be one more camera sensor on the back, though the specifications remain unclear. And guess what? It's equipped with a substantial 5000 mAh battery supporting 18-watt fast charging that's sure to keep you going all day long. Considering the Malaysian variant, which has already hit the market, it's possible that the Indian version will adopt some similar specifications. In Malaysia, the Realme C53 boasts a sizable 6.74-inch display offering a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, a touch sampling rate of 180Hz and a peak brightness of 650 nits. It's a visual treat. Under the hood, the Realme C53 is powered by a powerful octa-core processor clocked at 1.82 GHz coupled with the ARM Mali 657 GPU. It also packs 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage, which can be expanded up to a whopping 2 TB using a micro SD card. Say goodbye to storage limitations. On the software side, the Realme C53 runs on the latest Android 13-based Realme UI T edition right out of the box, ensuring a smooth and intuitive user experience. And let's not forget the incredible connectivity options. The Realme C53 supports GPS, NFC, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C and Bluetooth V 5.0. You can connect with the world effortlessly. For your audio needs, the handset even includes a 3.5mm audio jack next to the USB-C charging port, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes and podcasts without any hassle. The right side includes the volume buttons along with the power button, which comes integrated with a fingerprint scanner. And finally, the Realme C53 is available in two stunning color options, champagne gold and mighty black. Take your pick and flaunt your style. So get ready to experience the next level of smartphone innovation. The Realme C53 is just around the corner and it's going to redefine your mobile experience.